Learning Zilila Nishmas Etta Ahuva bas Yaakov. Masechus Nedarim Perek Hey Mishna Vav. This is the last Mishnah in this Perek. Hamuda Hano Mechaveira Ve'in Lo Ma Yechel Noisin LaAchel Shematana V'Alo Muter Ba. This is halacha we previously learned, that if someone is Muder Hano from his friend, there's an Etta by giving it to someone else L'Shem Matana, and the Muder gets it from that Acher. The Mishnah over here continues with a Maisa that says that it doesn't work, and the Gemara says that the Seifa of the Mishnah is talking about a case where it's going to be muchach from the end of the story al tchilose that he didn't mean to give it b'matana. Such a matana is not good. So we're going to explain right now. Maisa be'echa be'beis chayrin. There was a story with someone who lived in Beis Chayrin. Shahaya aviv muder haimenu hano. His father wasn't allowed to have an offering. Vayamasi es benoi. The father was marrying off his son, and the father wanted to go to the chasana. So he said the chotzer and the suda that belongs to the son who's getting married should be given to you b'matana. And therefore my father will be able to come to the chasana and have hana from the suda. So the receiver of this present of the chutz and the suda says, so the son says, I didn't give it to you in order to be makdish it. So you only gave it to me in order that your father should be able to eat and drink from this chasana, and I'm going to get the avera. So, any matana which is not, which the Mefarshim bring down, the Taisyanta brings over here the Yerushalmi that says she'ena, that it's not a matana gemura, rather it's given b'harama. Such a matana that's given b'harama, she'mekdisha and mekudeshes, that if the receiver makdish it, it's not going to be mekudeshes. Ain't a matana. Such a matana is not a matana. So the Ran and other Rishonim asked, Taisus asked, why is it different than matana amanas lahachzer, where over there we say a matana amanas lahachzer is shma matana. So why is this different, that I gave it to you only in order to allow my father to eat from the suda? So the Rishonim basically are mechalek that the matana amanas lahachzer l'shaita at least is a matana gemura, but over here even b'shas that he gave it to him, he didn't give it as a matana gemura. Perek Vav Mishnah Aleph. Hanoider min ha-mivoshel. If someone makes a neder from cooked items, so mutter b'tzli u'b'shalik. He's allowed to have tzli, which is roasted, or shalik, which is cooked. So shalik is a machlekes Rishonim in general. Some Rishonim say shalik is, most Rishonim, I think, say shalik is that it's overcooked, but over here the Ran says that shalik means that it's less cooked, because in Lashon B'nei Adam they refer to shalik as less cooked. Something which is overcooked is b'chal mevushel. Al kopanim, whatever shalik is, that's going to be mutter. And tzli, the Mishtana says that it's mutter. The Gemara brings Rabbi Yoshia says that it's aser, and the Gemara says again that they're arguing whether the Lashon B'nei Adam they refer to mevushel as something that's roasted also. Omar koinem tavshil she'eni toyim. If he says he asers a tavshil, so tavshil is before in the Gemara komidi the misachel be rifta, anything that's eaten together with bread is tavshil karile. That's called a tavshil. So it's something that's eaten with bread. So he's also b'maisa geder rach, something which is a soft maisa geder that's eaten with bread, but mutter ba'ava because that's eaten without bread. So that's not that wouldn't be included in the word tavshil. Mutter b'beyas tarmita u'b'dalas haramutza. He's mutter with, we'll take dalas haramutza first, is a squash that's heated up in coals, and beitzas tarmuta. So the Gemara says that it's referring to an egg that's heated up 1,000 times in hot water and 1,000 times in cold water until it becomes so small that you're able to swallow it without chewing, and if there's some sort of disease in his intestines, it's going to get attached to that egg, and when the egg comes out, Shalem, the roife, could look at it and see what type of medicine he needs to be misrape the chayla. The Taisyanta over here brings the Kesef Mishnah that asks on the Rambam that he says a different pshat. He says that it's referring to like a soft boiled egg, and he says that the Rambam held that since Bizman Hazeh, the Roifim weren't doing this Eitzah that the Gemara said with the egg, so therefore he didn't write it. He wrote a different refuah that was done with the egg, which was done with a soft-boiled egg. That's why he chose this. But the main point is that it's not eaten with bread. If it's not eaten with bread, it's not called a tafshil.